Hello everyone, welcome to our new playlist of this channel, which name is Power BI with SQL. So guys, with the help of this playlist, we guys will also learn some SQL concepts along with Power BI. So guys, there is a reason to add this playlist here under this channel. Because I have seen many job interviews, SQL knowledge is must required along with Power BI. And I also received some requests from my viewers to add some videos of SQL. So guys, I finally decided I will also teach SQL to my viewers along with this playlist. And I will also train you in SQL guys from scratch till next level. But I need some time guys to create all these videos. And under this playlist guys, I will also tell you the difference of Power BI and SQL concepts. Because some of the concepts are same in both the technologies. But we have no idea guys how to use these concepts. So guys, I will definitely try to help you understand the difference of these same concepts in both the technologies so that you guys can easily relate the things in both the technologies. So guys, I will try my best to provide you detailed knowledge in both the technologies, which make your analytical profile more stronger. So be ready guys to learn more about SQL along with Power BI. And those who are new to this channel, so kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And for the free Power BI learners guys, you guys can simply follow this free YouTube channel, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And SQL learners guys, also subscribe this channel because I'm also providing SQL training here under this channel. So thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.